Welcome to the School Transportation Department. Things around here can get pretty busy. Let's meet the staff who help keep the district running. Jane is a driver. She transports students safely between home and school every day. Mike is a dispatcher. He dispatches the vehicles, communicates with parents, and monitors school buses in real time. Brian is the transportation director. He is in charge of supervising staff, planning bus routes and student assignments, and maintaining a safe transportation environment. They love their jobs, but things can get complicated and frustrating for them. Brian and Mike's main concern is the ongoing, severe bus driver shortage. Brian hopes that he can put every penny of the transportation budget to good use and save money to hire more drivers. Mike is bothered by frequent driver absences that leave him struggling to find drivers with short notice. He regularly has to scramble to find substitute drivers within a few minutes. This leads to confusion, late buses, and parent complaint. Hi team, I just finished my morning trip.
Hey Jane, can you cover another trip? Tom cannot come in today.
Oh no. See, Jane has to take on more work due to the driver shortage. And if Jane is not available, Mike has to call drivers until he finds someone to cover the trip, or the trip will need to be canceled. Besides the driver shortage, transportation departments have to deal with endless reports on a daily basis. Pre-trip and post-trip inspections, payroll-related timesheets, annual driver reports, state reports, and more. Making these reports on paper is time-consuming, and it's easy to lose important information. Things get even more complicated when a bus repair is needed and parts are consumed. Without a proper work order and inventory tracking system, it is almost impossible for the transportation department and mechanics to keep on top of everything. The end-of-year reports can be another headache for both the transportation department and human resources. A lot of energy must be put into organizing these reports, calculating driver hours and leave, and counting inventory. These processes are difficult and time-consuming, and transportation staff are already so busy. As a dispatcher, Mike is also facing another dilemma. He has to shift between different types of software to monitor and manage his daily bus routes. He has to open his routing software to check student bus schedules and his GPS software to check the locations of his buses and students. When he needs to send messages to students, parents, or schools, he has to use another software. All of these programs take time to learn and are difficult to teach to the rest of the transportation staff, leaving Mike with even more work to manage. He wishes there was a better way to bring all of these systems together into a unified, one-stop solution. There has to be a better way to ease all these pains, and now there is. EZDistrict is here to solve all your school transportation-related problems with one streamlined system. EZDistrict is designed to meet your school transportation needs at any level. Our robust, flexible suite of cloud-based modules offers powerful and intuitive solutions to school transportation routing, planning, and more. EZDistrict offers a dynamic dashboard and interactive, easy-to-use modules for dispatching, live tracking of students and buses, last-minute route modifications, real-time notifications, hazard zone and walking restrictions, driver management, work hours and leaves tracking, pre-trip and post-trip inspections, bus maintenance, inventory management, interactive reporting, transportation eligibility, cost analysis, and more. All of our modules are fully integrated, intuitively designed with your needs in mind, and customizable to your district's exact needs. In school transportation, many on-the-fly changes need to be made each day due to driver shortages, bus breakdowns, and other unpredictable circumstances. It is crucial to have all of your transportation information in one portal so you can handle quick adjustments while keeping parents, schools, and drivers well informed. EZDistrict's trip preparation has everything you need for busy mornings and afternoons right at your fingertips. Drivers can mark their availability and request leave on our mobile app. If they have to call in at the last minute, the dispatcher can record their leave request with the date and time range, leave code, and other details. The absent driver's trips become uncovered, and a list of alternative drivers is immediately available for you to choose from. Our real-time notification system makes it convenient and painless to confirm the assignment with your drivers and communicate with parents and schools. Sometimes you may find out your usual bus is not available due to regular maintenance, malfunctions, or other incidents. This is why EZDistrict seamlessly integrates bus status with our bus maintenance module and the daily pre- or post-trip inspection data. In our software, a bus automatically becomes unavailable when preventive maintenance is scheduled or a repair work order is issued. Dispatch can change the bus and notify the drivers or parents in a couple of clicks. EZDistrict helps you find your alternative drivers and buses in seconds. However, unfortunately, we understand that sometimes it is impossible to find that additional driver or bus. In that case, EZDistrict offers AI-driven trip consolidation to split the uncovered trips and add them to existing buses. New stops and student assignments with turn-by-turn audio navigation are sent to the driver's tablets instantly. Our real-time notification system also comes in handy to maintain good communication with all parties about the bus route changes. Drivers have left for their routes, but the work is not done yet. Mike also needs to keep an eye on the routes in real time in case of any incidents. EZDistrict's Trip Operation module can improve school bus security and enhance operational efficiency. Mike can see the real-time locations of all of his buses on the map, along with their completed stops, upcoming stops, and the students that are currently on board. An estimated time of arrival is displayed for each trip, so Mike knows if things are running smoothly or if he needs to check in with his drivers. If there is an issue, EZDistrict can automatically send bus delay messages to parents and schools. If Mike receives phone calls from concerned parents, he will have precise information regarding their transportation. He can easily find detailed information for each trip or search for particular students to find their precise location and timestamp. Being the school bus driver is an important and rewarding job. This job carries a lot of responsibility. There are many requirements, tests, and examinations to be a bus driver, and it's important to keep track of all of these records so you can make sure that you don't miss any important deadlines. EZDistrict's driver management module records and tracks the driver's tests, exams, certificates, work hours, and requested leave time. Driver management can also generate customizable reports to fit or meet the district's needs or to submit as state reports. Reports can be generated in batches, and this will significantly reduce the need for paperwork and the possibility of human errors. If you manage your own school buses, vehicle maintenance is a vital component of school transportation. Sometimes it seems like there are too many details to track, like required inspections, vehicle repairs, work orders, parts tracking, and inventory management, but EZDistrict has you covered. Besides regular preventive maintenance and work order tracking, our vehicle maintenance module is fully integrated with our driver app and instantly syncs pre-trip and post-trip inspection results. Work orders can be triggered automatically if repairs are needed. Users can define an inspection zone and set up a list of tasks for each zone. You can request a driver's signature for a particular task or even ask them to take a picture for you to review from the portal. No more checkboxes on paper. Our system is easy, instant, informative, as well as eco-friendly. For districts with their own garage, EZDistrict Inventory Management can help you track your parts for work orders, manage your orders and part warranties, and send low inventory alerts. Our QR code scanning system and app make it effortless to check out or restock parts. Unlike traditional inventory management systems, EZDistrict allows you to restock in bulk and check out in any unit. At EZDistrict, student safety is our top priority. The majority of school transportation-related accidents happen when students are on their way to or from the bus. It is critical to plan a safe stop and a safe walking path to the stop for your students. With the EZDistrict Student Safety module, you can instantly see a street view of your stop to ensure the stop is accessible and safe for your drivers and students. You can create walking restrictions on any road to control the exact path students take from their home to their bus stop, and you can even disable walking on one side of the road, both, or prohibit jaywalking. Sometimes, you might need your buses and students to avoid specific streets and areas due to construction or road closures. In this situation, we offer customizable hazard zones that can be drawn directly on your district map and indicate areas where buses cannot travel. The system will automatically adjust your trips to avoid these hazard zones. If you have any hazard data that you would like to display on your map, like sex offender registrations or power lines, EZDistrict can upload the locations to your maps or even create a hazard zone with a customizable radius. Do you have walk zones, pay zones, free zones, or other types of school transportation eligibility rules? EZDistrict offers intuitive and interactive tools for you to apply various school transportation policies. You can easily designate your walkers and bus riders using our built-in and customizable filters, then download a report or a map to share with your staff and school board. EZDistrict's cost analysis tool provides you the information you need to configure your transportation rules based on your budget, drivers, and buses, all of which might change from year to year. Then you can utilize the analysis results to optimize your school transportation services. This can help districts determine areas that are where they might consider incorporating third-party transportation services or even parent carpooling. For these situations, EZDistrict provides the resources and tools for you to reach out to your community. Do you have a routing system that you like, but could never integrate with your GPS or student information system? EZDistrict offers easy connectors that connect your current routing system, GPS, and SIS to provide all of the live bus and student tracking, real-time notifications, estimated stop arrival times, dispatch, and monitoring functions of your dreams. Consult with our EZDistrict team to get tailored solutions for your school district. We are not done yet. EZDistrict has even more to offer. With all the unique and powerful modules that we have, it is necessary to have a dynamic, interactive, and customizable dashboard so you have all the information you need at a glance. For students, you can track daily change requests from your student information system and the number of onboard/dropped-off students in real time. For drivers, you can monitor their attendance record and clock in /out status. For vehicles, you can monitor daily inspection results and work order status. For trips, you can be informed of their driving status and any delays or early arrivals. At EZDistrict, we never overwhelm you with the info you do not need. Customize your dashboard to keep you on top of your KPI and include the exact info you need to have at a moment's notice. Build your dashboard today. No matter if you are a transportation director, a dispatcher, or a driver, EZDistrict makes it easier than ever for everyone to collaborate. Our system is cloud-based and accessible from anywhere. All modules are flexible and customizable, so they are integrated in the way that works best for your district. Each piece of data is archived to give you the reminders you need and reports that are required. Say goodbye to phone calls and messy paper records, and hello to more partnerships and smiley faces. Choose EZDistrict. Together, we can make school transportation manageable, reliable, and enjoyable.